Hello, welcome to Hevlendor Design. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to use the polygon tool and the ellipse tool to make simple logo shapes. Okay, so pick up your polygon tool, just click and drag. You can hold down the control. This time we just want to make use of the three-side polygon, which is a rectangle, and you can right click and convert this thing to curve. I need to delete these other points, these nodes. I don't need them, so I just click and drag to select to delete them. Then I select all of it. If you don't have this up, you can call it up here from this plus sign. You can call up the rounded corner. So I want the corners to be rounded, so I call up the rounded corner shape. So I'm using the fill out to make these edges to be curved. Now pick our ellipse tool, hold down control, click and drag. Okay, so you align this to the center, increase this a little bit, just make sure you align it properly with this. So you can just move it up a little. Okay, this is aligned right now. So the next thing we're going to do is to pick up the smart fill tool and create this up here. So that happened because that did not really overlap very well on the edges. So make sure that yours overlap. You can take this up a little bit, do this again. So this is what we're going to have good. We select this and this, hold shift, select all of this. Okay, and you can weld. We don't need any of this anymore. You can delete this path. Don't need all of that, so I just need this outline. Can reduce this a little bit. Okay, from this node here, hold your shift. Okay, you hold control. Want to just duplicate, just flip, right click to duplicate. Okay, you can group this, and now click once to turn off the rotation gears. So we rotate, watch your angle. So we are rotating to the angle of 60 degrees. Okay, so the moment you get to 60 degrees, okay, this is 60 degrees, press Ctrl R to have that done again. So now we're going to use the segment delete to take off the parts that we don't need. Okay, so take out this, the parts that we don't need. No. Okay, so this is what we have. Perfect, so this is what we have. Now we use the smart fill tool again and fill out these shapes. Okay, so you can click, hold down your shift button on the keyboard. That way you can delete this other part. So you can see we have this nice shape, so you can select the opposite part and fill them with any color of your choice. Okay, so this is what we have. You can select all of it and apply shadow on it. Apply shadow on it. So it to be strong, so I can use the outer shadow. reduce this a bit by 10. So you right click on the shadow and break it apart. The reason I'm breaking it apart because I want to part clip them into the circle. So just part clip this into the circle, the shapes rather. Okay. So when you do that, this is what we're going to have. Okay, same thing for this guy. So this is what we have. So you can see how this turns out. Have this very nice looking logo. Thank you very much for watching. If you're new to this channel, consider subscribing. Give this video a thumbs up. Turn on the notification button so that you don't miss out on our future upload. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.